If I were going to offer advice to somebody in, your position, I would definitely say that you're opening yourself up to some legal ramifications and possible defamation with your murky commentary on a case that you are no longer attached to. And I wouldn't be surprised if a cease and desist comes your way, because your continued commentary after you have lost permission from Desiree to do so is definitely problematic.
Dolcie needs to stop acting like she has all types of firsthand experience helping people navigate the family court system in the state of Oregon when she isn't able to be a guardian ad litem in this state. In fact, today is the first time that she's ever even admitted that they have guardian ad litems in the state of Oregon, when historically she has redundantly said Oregon doesn't do guardian ad litems. What she probably has been able to do in the state of Oregon is special education advocacy, and that really is probably not frequently exposing you to what Oregon family courts are like, what the judges usually do in those situations. It really indicates like delusions of grandeur. Why do you think that people don't understand the process of child custody or what it costs? Because that's probably one of the most common things that people will interact with within the court system. Half of all marriages end in divorce, and if there's kids, they are experiencing that. People who have children out of wedlock, even more so, need a parenting plan and child support figured out. This is very common, and you think that people are getting all of their ideas from TV? Weird. What it's giving is I'm vengeful and I don't care about what's best for Deshawn, which is to be with his mom. As I first said, I care about making it seem like this is not going to be successful. That's not going to be enough money. That's not how it works. It's not like TV. Like, you've got an axe to grind. You do. You've got an axe to grind against Desiree now and anybody that supports her because you were exposed. To date, you have never actually provided receipts, which literally you can just redact people's names. To date, you've never provided a single name or screenshot of anybody who donated money to you for you and said, this is not for Desiree, this is for you. And I've never seen anybody come forward saying, I donated money that I told her I wanted to keep. And frankly, if you're helping somebody who is in a custody situation and they're in a different financial position than you are, and you are volunteering your time that you asked to get involved and give, why would you even consider keeping money that was offered to you? Like, I would say, thank you so much. That is so kind. I'm actually going to pass this on to Desiree, who needs it more than I do. I have yet to witness any capacity from you to be unbiased in a situation, to show any personal sense of morals or ethics, whether you are bound to do that by the constraints of your role or not. You are wildly irresponsible about what you say, what you post, what you allege, what you've done. You show no personal accountability. You really resemble Stephanie in these ways. You're very inconsistent, and you definitely oversell your actual experience working within the Oregon family court system. There's no way that you're not a lawyer, not an LCSW or anything like that. You are not a guardian ad litem in this state. How do you have such inside information about what usually happens here, what judges are like? I don't know that you have the ability to do your job effectively in any state. Stop talking.